Hi, I'm Dwayne Myers with Dynamic Automotive. We've been in business 27 years, 5 locations, have grown to 5 locations. When we first started with Autoshop Solutions back in 2015, we were at 3.
Hi, I'm Lee Foreman with Dynamic Automotive. I'm one of the 2 founding fathers that started the business. Autoshop Solutions, after we met them, really made a critical turn for us in our web design, because we went from a hodgepodge web design to a professionally done web design made specifically for the automotive industry, and it's made us, helped us grow leaps and bounds.
Danny was given a class on website marketing, and it really opened our eyes. We realized that we were behind, and that started us on our journey to become more relevant and actually modernize. So now we actually really have a marketing plan. They've brought our marketing to the forefront to where now customers can find us much easier. They know what we do. They actually deliver our message in a way that's professional, and it drills down and gets to the specifics that people need to know that we can do for them. It's really changed and broadened our whole customer base, just because working with them has allowed us to get to them much easier.
People that I've dealt with over the years, always before be like, you kind of need to do something with your website. And now when I meet somebody and they say, oh, I went and checked out your website, it's really good.
I've been asked many times what I think of Autoshop Solutions. Do I have any regrets? Would I recommend them? I have one regret, and that's that we didn't go with them sooner. It would have pushed us a lot further along if we'd have done it sooner, but I'm very happy with the relationship. And it's a very close friendship. We work together very well, and I've seen both companies grow over time. But if you're thinking about it, and if you're not even thinking about it, just do it. You won't regret it, and you'll be happy with the outcome.
I'm Reggie Stewart, and our shop is Reggie's Motorworks in Noblesville, Indiana. We've been working with Autoshop Solutions for just over a year. They just built us a beautiful website. We really love the design. We get compliments on it all the time. I feel like I get the vast majority of my marketing done through 1 or 2 points of contact at one company. And to have all of that being taken care of from me is a huge peace of mind. It takes a lot of work off my plate, and I really trust Autoshop Solutions to give me advice. There are a ton of people out there doing marketing, and even a lot of people doing marketing for automotive, and we get a lot of conflicting information. I truly believe that when I call Autoshop Solutions, they are going to give me advice that I can take to the bank, and so far it has worked out really, really well. For quite a while, we have been tracking our website performance and the amount of phone calls we get per week. And since going with Autoshop Solutions, once the site was fully built and integrated, we could see upticks in phone calls and in organic web visits. Plus our AdWords campaign has seemed to really skyrocket. We're seeing, based on the numbers we see in the dashboard and the physical hearing of the phones ringing, we've seen a significant improvement in the volume of business coming into our shop. If you're thinking of working with Autoshop Solutions, I would say give them a call. That's what I did. I felt like they had my back, and a year and a half later, I still feel like they have my back. I continue to learn more about the resources that are available to me, and I believe that they just continue to add more resources. So I've been very happy.
My name's Lucas Underwood. I'm with L&N Performance Automotive Repair in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. I met Autoshop Solutions through ASTE, the Automotive Service and Technology Expo here in Cary, North Carolina just a few years ago, and chose them for my website. It has been an amazing experience, and the real reason is they are so receptive to my business and what I want for my business. In working with them, they've been dynamic, and they change as we need them to change and as my business changes, and they have been a true partner to our marketing plan here for the shop. We have just expanded, or we're in the process of expanding. We're going from a 2.5 bay shop into about a 10 bay shop. And the reason that's important to me is because we started just about 4 years ago doing $14,000 and $15,000 a month in that 2.5 bay. Now we're doing over $125,000 a month in that 2.5 bay. Same size staff, same size facility, and I really contribute a lot of that to the help from Autoshop Solutions when it comes to the marketing. So that's been our experience with them. They have been phenomenal and they have done so much to help us. We really believe Autoshop Solutions is part of our family.
Hey, Tony Mercury with Autoshop Solutions. Today I'm joined with Greg Rainville from Mechanic Advisor. We recently announced our partnership with them and wanted to talk a little bit more about the why behind what we're doing with them. Mechanic Advisor and us have been working together closely for about 5 or 6 years now, and we quickly realized that while we were doing the acquisition side, there's a big need for our current clients to do retention marketing. And the nice part about what we offer is we're gonna pick who we feel is the best solution for our clients, and it quickly became apparent that it was Mechanic Advisor. We noticed that they're getting the best returns for their shops that they're working with. They're doing innovative things like text messaging and Google reviews. And we really saw this explosion of growth from the shop's perspective, and we just continued to recommend them and see these shops grow. So earlier this year, we sat down with the team at Mechanic Advisor and really ironed out some details and dreamed up what the ideal package for marketing from acquisition to retention would look like for a repair shop.
Us putting together this package deal that we created in August just makes the most sense for us and our customers, and then future customers, to have a package where it covers everything from obviously acquiring new customers through Google AdWords, website SEO, and then obviously, you know, you invest in getting those customers through the door, you want to get them back through the door. Mechanic Advisor plugs in right there. So it's a great solution, great team working together to make it happen for our shops.
Contact us today to learn about how these two programs are going to help accelerate your business.
So I'm Tristan, owner of Lock Performance. We're in Napanee, Indiana. Our wheelhouse, I guess, would be light-duty diesel trucks. What originally drew me to Autoshop Solutions was, so we also use Mechanic Advisor as well too, and so it was the integration between the two. That was part of that. I really like the platform that Autoshop Solutions provides. Since coming on with them almost a year ago, we've seen a large influx of new customers coming in, and obviously, you know, with our initial conversation with any new customer that comes in, we want to know, you know, how they heard about us, that kind of thing. And they're all, you know, we did a Google search and we're looking through your reviews, Google reviews, and just really impressed. And so I'm going to say that the majority of our new customers that come in the door, it's going to be like them reading from a card. We're going to get the same response every time. So we really didn't have a good online presence prior to Autoshop Solutions. I guess building out that side of our business is kind of what we gained by, like I said, we did have a website prior as an e-commerce website. We did sell some parts, that kind of thing. We kind of moved away from that to more of a service-based business model, which is why we changed gears and went with the website that we have now. But, I mean, honestly, the experience has been positive all the way around. The platform is super easy. With the social media and all the stuff that we do has really worked out great. So no complaints on my side at all.
Hi, my name is Doug Grills. I'm the owner of AutoStream Car Care. We have 4 locations in the Baltimore area. 2 years ago in 2013, we reached out to Autoshop Solutions to try to fine-tune our internet marketing presence and really drive the numbers at our locations. And I can't be more pleased with the results that we've generated. We've increased car count 160 cars per month over the 2-year period, and we've grown our revenues 20% over that same period of time. I couldn't be more pleased with the job that Autoshop Solutions has done for us. Their team's fantastic, responsive. They're on the cutting edge of online marketing. And I can tell you that if you want to grow your business, you should contact them today.